I used to know a guy who would comb the beach with a metal detector in search of treasure. I told him it seemed like a wild goose chase to me. He said sure most of the time, except when it's not. By the way, I have a treasure trove of idioms for you, so subscribe now. Meaning of the English idiom wild goose chase. A wild goose chase is a pointless, foolish, and futile search or pursuit that is bound to result in failure. Examples of use. The informant sent the police on a wild goose chase, checking abandoned buildings for their suspect after he had fled the country. "This is a wild goose chase," said Dad. "We'll never find this toy on Christmas Eve. It's sold out everywhere." He hunted for the treasure for 20 years despite everyone telling him it was a wild goose chase. Origin of idiom. This idiom has been used since around 1600. The idiom originally referred to a type of horse racing in which riders were meant to follow a leader in a certain formation at exact intervals that supposedly resembled a flock of wild geese in flight. The expression was later applied to someone taking an erratic and unusual path and another person following them. The expression was used in Shakespeare's play Romeo and Juliet. Mercutio says to Romeo, "Nay, if our wits run the wild goose chase, I am done, for thou hast more of the wild goose in one of thy wits than, I am sure, I have in my whole 5. Was I with you there for the goose?"